Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to copy a YouTube video link on your computer. So first head over to youtube.com, wait for it to be loaded, and then either you can search your required video from here, or you can just click on this any video that you want the link to be copied for. I will just click on this video, a random video on my home page. So there are two ways to copy the link for the video. First is to just copy the link from the address bar like this. Click on this link and then either you can press Ctrl+C on your keyboard or right click on your from your mouse and then click on copy, or you can just click on this share button and then copy the link from here. So either way it will gonna work and your link will be copied. So let's close the video and paste the link here, and I hit the enter. Now you can see the link has been successfully copied for the video. You can send it to your friends on WhatsApp, Snapchat, or Instagram, or any other social media platforms, or you can add this video link to your website or anything. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.